are now here in our room, and here it says, service please, privacy please. Okay, here is the mirror. Here is our, I don't know what is it called. I guess it's the makeup room.
This is the
vanity, and then here's the dryer. What is in here? Oh, it's a closet. Smart. This is only for big girls. Oh, by the way, it turns off. It's automatic. So here is our bathroom. Do we really need this? Oh yeah, for gargling our tooth. What's this then? Shaving kit, shower cap. I need a shower cap. Toothbrush. We already have two toothbrushes. We have to buy. Just spend our money on it. Here's a shower, no bathtub. And then here's the toilet, the royal toilet. The towel in it. Here's the towel. There's another towel here. Okay.
turn on.
Why? Because
It's okay.
for the electricity. Okay, are you ready for the best? No, this is not the best part. Here is the
Small pantry.
small pantry. You can see there's a coffee mixture. There's another one. They have their own water, but it's nature spring. Yes, they can make tea. Actually, I think someone likes tea. Are you ready for the big part? Oh, there's a fire extinguisher over here. So here is the royal bedroom. Caravan! See what I see? Paper in bed. It's for free! Yes! What's this? Come on, let's read it. Let's answer. It was my pleasure to prepare your room for arrival. If at any time during your stay you have additional requests, simply fill up the card below and place it on your desk or contact guest services externally. Best, Hilda. Where's Hilda? Here is the TV. And here's the shelf. And then another shelf. There are many shelves in here. And a little bit of snacks. These are free for us. These are not free because we put them over here. And here is the couch. You can sit on one, drink some tea, and I already sit in here because here is like the that's not a vanity. Okay, here is the balcony. I love it. I want to spend my time over here playing something, watching something, vlogging something like this. These are made of wood, by the way. Oh, there is the. You can also picnic in here, but I think it's dangerous. You know why I think it's dangerous? Because it has electricity over there. It's like not horizontally anymore. It's like going to fall. Come on, let's go inside. Oh wait, I forgot to show you something. Sing. Here is the bed. Here's a lamp if you want to read something. I don't want to turn it on because I need it. And then here is the lamp. It's close down. What's this, by the way? Oh, it's just. And then what is this? Let's see. Is this room service or not? Oh, still more papers. Is this more papers? Shall we keep it? Let's put this in here. We have more. So guys, this is the end of the subscribe, and like this video if you like it. Or big fat thumbs up. Bye!